Alright guys, so I run 10W40 in this in all my machines. So what I'm going to do is got a bottle here of some oil I have around, and I need to get a funnel, but yeah, I don't know what caused that to have lost so much oil. I mean, guys, I just did that not too long ago. This is leaking. It runs very clean, but I guess there's just a lot of strain on these. This is 7 horsepower, 3100 psi, 2.7 GPM there. So now y'all know that, but I don't know, I just never paid any attention to it until I realized, oh, that's low. I'm gonna go get my funnel, which is outside. Alright, this should be good. I don't know if I have quite enough oil to be doing this, but I think I do. So something tells me that the low oil sensor in here, I guess, may not be working correctly. Well, on this side it's higher. That's kind of weird. That is really weird. But they say to go to the top of the thread, so that's what we're going to do here. There it is, so it is full now. It's supposed to be kind of up to the threads there, so. Yeah, that wasn't very good. That was low like that. So guys, it always pays off. Check your oil. I usually forget to in this one because I don't use it very often, but I never really thought about it. Now I'm going to get some ISO 68 here, and I'm going to fill the oil in. Oh, I still got a good amount of oil left. That's good. So now I can top everything else off. But, let's see here. Well, apparently that was full, but that's alright. Guys, I kind of wish I had one of those infrared thermometers to see how hot this thing gets, because I don't know, I just feel like this thing gets pretty hot, and I think it's been running pretty hot lately, so probably it's because of improper oil. of not having the proper amount of oil, so it was low. So guys, I mean, sometimes you forget. That was simply a mistake. I always make sure to always make sure my machines have enough oil in them, but I never think about this one. It never crosses my mind. But anyways, I think our air cleaner is dirty, but we're gonna check it. Yep, I'm gonna take that in and give it a wash. It's like some I don't know what that is. There's like some oil or gas on there. But yeah, I need to clean that. I know it was probably a little dirty, but not that bad. Alright, so I'm gonna go clean that with some warm soapy water. They recommend they do. We'll come out here a little later and get that taken care of. But anyways, I probably need to go sometime and just take the carb off or take the bowl off and give it a good little clean. Probably just need a little help. Anyways guys, I'm going to do a cold start video here of some of the equipment that has not been running in a while. And otherwise, we're going to get this clean. So anyways, we'll see you guys later. Bye.